what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing a bit of research on how to make money online. You're looking for a tutorial, you're a beginner, and you have really no idea what to do, okay? Well, over the next few minutes, I am going to talk exactly about how to make money online, tutorial for beginners, and you're gonna learn exactly how to do this from start to finish, okay? If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that teaches you how to build a more profitable business on the internet, so consider subscribing if you want, and at any time, you can grab my 6-figure strategies by just clicking the link right below. I was able to use these strategies to go full-time in April 2019 after trying this whole online thing out for 10 years. So it was a long journey for me, but was finally able to almost triple my old corporate income. So if you want to check out that strategy, you can if you want, okay? Just click the link below. But today we're going to talk about how to make money online, and this is going to be a tutorial for you, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the beginning and kind of work towards the end. And let's first talk about the different models that you can use to make money on the internet, okay? Now there's a lot of different things that you can do, but essentially what you need to understand is you're always selling something, okay? You just have to decide what you want to sell on the internet. Are you selling a business opportunity? Are you selling a product? Are you selling an MLM company? Are you selling a service, okay? Now understand that the model that you choose doesn't really matter. I mean, obviously there are some models that are better than others, but what's more important is how you market this thing, okay? So just choosing that thing is not the only thing that's important. So how do you actually market it? Okay, and we'll talk about that in a second, but let's first talk about these one by one, right? So a business opportunity is basically, a lot of companies come up with these compensation models and they pretend to sell products and stuff like that, but a lot of them focus on the money-making aspect of that business opportunity. Now, I started in BizOp. It's okay, right? There are some good BizOps out there, but just remember that some business opportunities, they don't last forever because they focus very much on the money-making aspect of it, and because the FTC and the SEC, they don't really like business opportunities so much. So just understand that if you decide to sell a business opportunity, it might be here today, but it might be gone tomorrow because a lot of them get shut down, okay? So just be very, very careful if you decide to do that, right? Now, all you would really need to do is just go to Google and type out top business opportunities 2019 or something like that, okay? And Google is a very powerful way of finding it, and you'll find, and there's a list here. I'm not going to go inside here, but basically they will show you, a whole list of different business opportunities in different industries that you can market. It could be anything from, MLM, cryptocurrency, product sales. There are lots of different business opportunities, okay? So that's the first thing, right? You can also sell lots of products, right? And products are a great one to do. I think products are some of the best ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is in this kind of category. All you're doing with product sales is you're finding a good product that someone might want to buy, and you're learning how to sell that product. And a lot of the products that you can sell that are really, really good are info products, okay? Information or digital, okay? So they're not physical items. They're actually products that you sell digitally. Somebody buys it and they just get the logins to a membership site, they download the information and they consume that information digitally, right? Now there are a lot of marketplaces online that sell digital products, right? So all you have to do again is just come back to Google and type out something like affiliate marketing marketplace, affiliate marketing marketplace, okay? And then you'll see here, look, 20 best affiliate marketing platforms and networks. They're also called networks, right? And there are a lot of different ones, okay? There's some like, and I'll just give you a couple of names. ClickBank, JVZoo. These are some of the big ones, right? Let me write them down. So, so affiliate marketing marketplaces. Oops. Okay, ClickBank, JVZoo, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, JVZoo, CJ Affiliate, Warrior Plus. There are quite a lot, so you can actually find out this information all on Google, okay? But all you would do is very simple. You would go onto these marketplaces, you would find the product that you want to sell based on the niche area. So it could be, romance, health and fitness, finance, things like that. you find the product and you just take the product link and you just promote it. That's all you're doing, okay? So you promote product link. And that's it. Someone buys that product and you generate a commission. It's a very, very easy way to make sales, okay? Now, MLMs, on the other hand, is like a multi-level marketing company, right? So it's like Amway or Herbalife. Now, a lot of these companies are very traditional and they'll teach you how to build your business, recruit friends and family offline, but you can also learn how to market an MLM on the internet, okay? And then services are things like Fiverr, it's like freelancing, right? So you can come to websites like Fiverr.com. This is a really good one. And all you do is you would come on here and you would become a seller of your services, right? And people do everything. There's you can just have a look here, right? So you could do logo design, you could do game design, you can design brochures, you can do posters, flyers, you can draw comics. Do you do digital marketing? Are you skilled in SEO or video marketing or email marketing or e-commerce, right? Video animation, are you a video animator, right? So you can come on here, provide your services, and you can charge anywhere from $5 all the way up to a few $100s for your services, okay? So these are some of the ways that you can make money on the internet, right? So sell a BizOp, sell products and services, sell an MLM, and these are the main kind of ways that you can do this, okay? But what's more important, okay, is not about what to sell, it's about how you sell it, right? And a lot of people don't really talk about this because, look, if you come online and you decide that you want to sell a BizOp, and this is the big mistake that a lot of people make when they're trying to make money on the internet, right? They come online and they're like, okay, I'm going to join a BizOp, and they just expect that BizOp is going to make all their money for them. But the reality is that it doesn't actually work that way, okay? Whatever you decide to do, you have to learn the marketing part to push that product forward. If you don't promote it, you're never going to make any money with it, and that's what I call marketing, okay? Marketing is very, very important. So I'll just give you an example, right? If you decide to do BizOp, right? That BizOp on its own is not going to make you money. Won't earn money. So on its own, the BizOp is just going to sit there and it's going to do nothing, right? So what you need to learn how to do is you need to take that thing that you're trying to do, whatever it is. So whether it's a BizOp or a product, let's just say you're trying to sell ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus products, or even if you do an MLM. So this doesn't really matter, okay? So this, and I'm gonna put this formula here, okay? So it could be a BizOp, this could be a product, it could be an MLM, or it could be a service, okay? It doesn't matter. So any of these, a BizOp, a product, an MLM, or a service that you decide to pick, okay? On its own, it's not gonna make any money, right? You need to learn this other element, okay? Which is basically M, okay? That equals profits. That's how online marketing actually works, okay? So picking a BizOp, a product, an MLM, or a service is relatively easy. You have to go out there, you have to do your own research. Unfortunately, I can't decide on that product for you. I mean, I can recommend something if you want, but ultimately, you have to decide what you want to sell on the internet, okay? Once you've decided what you want to sell, do you want to do a BizOp? Do you want to do a product? Do you want to do an MLM? Do you want to sell a service, right? How do you then promote that business opportunity, product, MLM, or service in order for you to generate money? And the biggest part of that equation is the M part, marketing. How do you market well so that people see your stuff, okay, so that you can make a lot of money and generate a lot of commissions, okay? So let's talk a little bit about marketing and how that actually works, okay? Now, in marketing, in the online world, there are a few things that you have to learn, okay? First of all, you have to learn all about traffic. Okay, now you may not have heard this word before, but traffic, all it is how do you get more eyeballs and customers to the front door of your business, whatever you're selling. So if you're selling a BizOp, a product, an MLM, or a service, how do you get new customers potentially to come to the front door of your product, of your BizOp, of your MLM, or of your service to see more of that? That is called traffic, okay? The more traffic that you can get, the more money that you'll make, generally speaking, right? Now, there are a lot of different places that you can find traffic, okay? So you can do social media, you can do banner ads, you can do pay-per-click networks, okay? You can do influencers, okay? You can do email marketing, or this is also called solo ads, right? Solo ads, Okay, and now I'm not going to go into every single one right now because again, you can do your research on Google on how to do this kind of stuff, right? So if I wanted to find banner networks, right, I'm just going to go to Google, same thing. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to do this. I'm going to go to banner ad networks, okay, and let Google do the hard work, and you just come down here and they'll tell you top 5 banner advertising networks for publishers. There you go. Very, very easy, right? Let's just have a look at the next one. Pay-per-click networks, right? So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go back to Google, and I'm going to type out pay-per-click networks. Now, just to explain to you, a pay-per-click network is generally a search network, or any network, including social media, where you as an advertiser, you have to pay per click. So every time someone sees an ad, right? So I'll just show you in a minute, right? Every time someone sees your ad and they click on it, you pay for that click. It could be 10 cents, it could be 50 cents, it could be $1. You know, it depends on the interest or the keyword that you're going up after, right? Look, the ultimate list of best PPC networks 2019. Now, I'm not going to go in there, but I just wanted to show you that it's actually pretty simple. You just have to know what you're searching for and then go to Google, search it, and then learn that thing in order for you to get really, really great at marketing, okay? So first of all, you need to understand traffic, okay? Then you need to understand conversions, okay? So how do you convert this traffic that you're now getting all over the internet, all right? And how do you convert it from a cold lead into a paying customer, right? That's very important. Now, understand something here, right? So again, it doesn't matter what you're selling. You could be selling a BizOp, a product, an MLM, a service, but all of them work in the same kind of format. You have to understand how to get a group of people that sees what you're promoting online, okay? You bring them into your universe, your world, right? And once you get them into your world, how do you convert them from a cold prospect to a hot customer? Oh, my face is getting in the way, okay? How do you take someone from a cold prospect, or a cold lead, I should say, yeah, because you just generated a lead through traffic generation, you got to learn that skill, and take them from a cold lead and turn them into a hot customer, a hot buyer. How do you do that, right? Well, there's a lot of different things that you have to do, okay? You have to, and this is the easiest way to describe it, you have to build trust. That's the easiest way to explain it to you, right? You have to somehow build trust and a relationship with that potential customer, okay? And this is the big mistake that a lot of people make online. They don't understand the process of how do you actually get someone to know, like, and trust you through the internet so that they want to actually buy your BizOp, your product, your MLM, or the service that you're trying to recommend, okay? And the easiest way to build trust online, okay, is to do something that I call, everybody knows this word, add value, okay? This is the most important thing. But how do you add value to your potential customer base? Well, the easiest thing to do is something that I created. It's called STT, which is basically the STT model, okay? And now we're going deep, okay? And this stands for share, train, teach. That's it. It's very, very simple. Now, the more that you can share your life story, your struggles, your obstacles that you've gone through, the more that you can train someone, like actually teach them one specific thing on the topic that they're looking for. So for example, if you are promoting a product that teaches someone how to stop their dogs from peeing on the carpet, if you can teach them or train them on that topic, actually train them on how to stop their dog from peeing on the carpet and give it to them in bite-sized chunks, your trust factor is going to grow. And if you can teach them through stories, through parables, through analogies, right, through examples, then they're going to feel connected to you and they're going to want to spend more time with you, and your trust factor is going to go up, and eventually they're going to go from a cold lead into a hot customer, okay? And then they're going to buy whatever product you're selling, whatever BizOp you're promoting, whatever MLM you're trying to get your prospects into, and whatever services you're selling, right? Because you have built up that trust factor, which is really, really important. Now understand something, right? Trust is built over a period of time, right? It's very, very difficult to sell somebody straight away. So if you're looking to come online, right, and to make sales instantly, it's not going to work that way. It takes a little bit of time, right? A few days, a few weeks, a few months, right? Different people have different buying cycles. But understand that if you do this properly, if you continue to drive a lot of traffic into your business, if you can continue to build trust and add value and use this model that I call the STT model, and you share, you train, and you teach your potential customers that are inside of your universe, inside of your sales funnels, then you're going to make a lot of money, okay? So look, I'm going to end this video right now. Over the last 15 minutes, I have taught you the basics of how to start to make money on the internet. Now, there are a lot of things that you still need to learn in order to, learn how to do this step by step. But I just wanted to, I can't spend an hour with you on this video, unfortunately, right? We've already been here for 15 minutes, but I just wanted to show you how this whole thing actually works, okay? So first of all, I'd like to know your thoughts. Did you learn something in this video today, right? Did you learn that actually it's not just about the business model, it's more about the M component? Because look, you can sell anything online. You can sell an MLM, you can sell a service, you can sell a business opportunity, but if you don't understand M, if you don't understand the marketing component, if you don't understand how to build trust, you will never really make any money from the internet. Okay, take it from someone who's been here for 10 plus years. I struggled in the first 8 years. It took me a long time before I finally, became in profit. I quit my job in April 2019, and now I teach, hundreds of people how to do this properly. Okay, so would love to know in the comment section below what you learned. Would appreciate some thumbs ups if you got some value from this video today and you're starting to understand this properly. Okay, now here's what I want to do, right? So this was kind of just a taster for you. I wanted to explain to you a little bit about how making money online really works, especially if you're a beginner, right? Or maybe you're intermediate, you still don't know how to do this properly, but I want to show you how to do this properly. So I want to show you the marketing component, okay? Because the marketing component is everything, all right? You can pick whatever you want to sell. You can pick a business opportunity, you can pick an MLM, you can pick a service, but you can't pick marketing, unfortunately, right? Marketing, if you want to do it right, there's really only one way to do it properly. Okay, and I want to show you how to do that properly. So if you're interested, if you're like, Aaron, this is really interesting, I'll decide what I want to, promote later, because I can do a biz op, I can do a product, I can go to ClickBank, I can choose any product I want, I can promote Herbalife if that's what you want to do. You can do anything you want, right? But you need to learn marketing. Okay, how do you market? How do you drive traffic? How do you convert? How do you really build trust? How do you add value? How do you maximize the STT model? I want to show you how to do that, right? So if you're interested, all you need to do is click the link right below. In the description box, you'll see a little link right there. It's going to lead you to my website. If you're on your mobile phone, click on the arrow on the right hand side and you'll see that link pop up, right? On that page, enter your best email address and look out for your email. I'm going to send you a video training series, right, in more detail that will teach you all this stuff. That's going to talk a little bit about traffic. It's going to talk a lot about conversions, and it's going to talk about the STT model as well. All right, so listen, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Hope to speak to you soon, and take care.